Hello everyone, today I'd like to do a quick unboxing of this Antaspy Bluetooth RF back detector and camera finder. It's pretty compact and it comes in this nice looking box. That's the device itself, and it's really lightweight, which I like. Here's the antenna that you need to attach to the device so that you can start detecting. It's also good in case you want to make sure that there is no tracker underneath your car. There have been lots of carjackings and lots of car hijackings in Ontario and Quebec in Canada. So that's the manual, and these are additional attachments. This is a charging cable. Let's get this device itself out of the package. It looks really nice and tiny. I like the lightweightness of this device. There's also special light that allows you to find, as you can see, it's a special coating here. I think it needs to be charged. I never used it before. I'm just unpacking it with you guys. So yeah, looks like a nice device, and I'm looking forward to using it.